Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Sales. It's the first chapter of Microsoft Excel. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. You can trust me for quality grades. I can handle you all Microsoft classes, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access, accounting, finance, mathematics. Now I'm going to move for the project description. You own a small real estate company is Indian Post. You track the real estate properties you list for the clients you want to analyze sales for the. Here you can see it's a project description. Okay. Now I'm going to move for the project step. Start Excel, download it and open the file name EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Sales. Here's you can see. I can show you. Here is the Excel workbook. I have opened this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. In April worksheet, delete the row 10 which is incomplete sales data. In April worksheet, okay. Here is two worksheet, properties worksheet and April worksheet. Delete the row 10 that have incomplete data. I have deleted this row. Now I am going to move for my next step. Then it says select and cut the row 13 and insert cut cell in row 10. Okay. Select and cut row 13 and insert cut cell on row 10. Select and cut the row 13. Select and cut row 13 and insert the cut cell on row 10. Okay, I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Type 2014 in A5. Here you can see I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email. I can make 100% grade for you in all assessments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Type this one, type in A5. Okay, here you can see I have done this one. Complete the series. Okay, now I am going to complete the series A6 to A13. I have completed the series by using the fill handle. I have completed the step number 4. Now I am going to move for my next step. It's a enter a formula in cell C5, calculate the number of days. Okay. Subtracting the date listed from date source. Now I am going to enter a formula in cell C5. Here you can see I am going to do this one. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email if you need the solution of any Microsoft class. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. Enter a formula in cell C5 to calculate the number of days in OK. I am going to do this one. Here you can see enter a formula in cell C5 that calculates the number of days on the first house was the product. Okay. Subtracting days, date listed from date sold. Date listed from date sold minus date listed. Here you can see I have find the days on market by subtracting the days listed from date sold. Here you can see. Then it says copy the formula C6 to C13. Copy the formula by using the fill handle. I have copied the formula C6 to C13. Now I am going to move for my next step. I have completed the step number 5. Now I am going to move for my next step. It says format the list price and sold price in the ranges F5 to G13 with accounting number format. F5 to G13 with format the list price and sold price. Okay, in the ranges F5 to G13 accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Here you can see I have selected the range. Now I am going to apply the accounting number format. Here you can see with 0 decimal places. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Here you can see today I am going to solve EXP22 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Sales. I am dealing with MATLAB stats, MATLAB Mathematics, MATLAB Accounts, MATLAB Finance. Now you can see here I am going to solve the step number 7. Enter a formula in cell H5 that calculates the sale price percentage of the list price. Okay. Okay, by dividing, okay, now you can see here I am going to enter a formula in cell H5 that say dividing the sold price by the list price. Okay, now you can see here it say enter a formula in cell H5 that calculates the sales price in percentage. Okay, by dividing the sold price by the list price. Here you can see sold price and divide this by list price. Okay, I have found the values. You can see here. Copy the formula from the range H6 to H13 by using the fill handle. I am going to copy the formula. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 8. It says format the values in the H5 to H13 with percent style with 0 decimal places. Format the values in the H5 to H13 percent style with 0 decimal places. Percent style with 0 decimal places. I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step number 9. Center horizontal and wrap text the heading. Center horizontally and wrap text the heading A4 to H4. Centrally, horizontally and wrap text the heading, A4 to H4. Center horizontally and wrap text the heading. Here you can see I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Let's say insert a new column between the date sold and date listed. Okay, now you can see here I am going to move new. I am going to insert a new column between the date sold and date listed. Okay, here you can see date sold and date listed. Date sold and date listed. Okay, I have created and inserted a new column between the date sold and date listed. Okay, then it say move the days on market data. Okay, days on market data. Okay, and delete the empty column C. Here you can see I have made this modification. I have completed the step number 10. Now I am going to move for my next step, step number 11. Let's say added the date sold. Okay, you can see here added the date sold. Added the date sold. Now I am going to move 41 Circle House to be added the date sold 424. Okay, okay, I have made this modification. Now I am going to move for my next step, step number 12. Select property rows 5 to 13 as a row. Okay, select property row for 5 to 13 and row height to 25, 5 to 13. Here you can see. Okay, 25. Here you can see I have done this one. Now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 13. Apply all border style to the ranges A4 to H13. All border style A4 to H13. Apply all border style. Here you can see apply all border style. I have applied all border style. The range is A4 to H13. Now I am going to move for my next step. Apply align right and increase the index to the data. Okay, you can see here. Apply align right and increase the index twice time. Okay. Apply align right. Okay, in from result E5 to E13. Apply align right and increase index twice the data. Okay. Now I'm going to move for my next step. Step number 15. Use Excel to check the spelled and correct the misspelled word. Okay. In review tab, you can see here. Okay. Change all and okay. Close this tab. Okay. Here you can see today I am going to solve EXP22 Excel chapter 1 ML2 sales. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Text me through WhatsApp or email. I can make 100% guide for you in all assessments, simulation training, simulation exam, weekly assignments, weekly exam and weekly quizzes. Now I am going to move for my next step. Step number 16. Delete the properties sheet, insert a new sheet name, my, make sure the my sheet is second sheet tab, okay. Delete the property sheet. Okay, delete the sheet, insert it a new sheet and the name of the new sheet my, and make sure second. Okay, here you can see use select all feature. Now I'm going to show the step number 17. It say use select all feature to the data of my and paste into the my worksheet April. Here you can see all data, control C, copy the all data and my. Okay, here you can see I have copied all the data from the April worksheet to the my worksheet. Okay, I have done this modification. Now I'm going to show the step number 18. In cell A2, change the April to my, select the ranges A5 to D13, G5, okay, cells to 10, okay. A2, in the cell A2, change April to my. Change April to my. My sales worksheet, okay. Select the ranges A5 to D13 and F5 to G13, clear cell content. Okay. F5 to G13. Okay. In home tab. Clear contents. Okay. I have find these values according to the instruction. Then it say in cell F5 type 1, G5 type 1, copy the values. Okay, F6 to G35. F5 1, G5 type 1 and copy the values. Okay, here you can see I have made this modification. I have done this one. Today I have solved EXP22 Excel chapter 1. Okay, now I'm going to solve next step. Select both worksheet and apply 120% scaling. Select both worksheet and the scaling. In home tab you can see here. In page layout you can see I have changed the scaling to 120%. Today I have done EXP22 Excel chapter 1 ML2 sales. If you need the solution of this project, you can directly text me through WhatsApp or email. I am dealing with many students and delivering quality grades for them. Just text me through WhatsApp or email. I am here to deliver quality grade for you. I am dealing with Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Database Access. Okay, thank you so much. I already gave my direct WhatsApp link in the description.